Dear friends, every household is facing problems sometimes, like we are making tea and we say most of the times, like our tea is not coming out good when we make tea at home. Oh my God, I have taken that brand, I have taken that Brook Bond or Red Rose or any other brand, local brands like with that. So the tea doesn't come out to be tasty and delightful. So I do have a better remedy for that, friends. What I did, I do have different brands of tea at home. I try to mix all those teas like in a ratio, or you can take whatever the mix you want, and that blend really works out for me, friends. And I'm going to show you that what I have taken that red label orange pickle, is a 216 tea bags or sachets, and is 675 gram. What I did, I rip off all those sachets and see here, and I put all into this thing. And similarly I take this red rose tea, is a pack of 36 tea bags, and I take all those bags out and mix it with my red label tea. Similarly, I took that local brand in Canada that's called Mother Parker's, and if you see there, 100 tea bags. So, and the one tea bag comprises 200 grams or 7 ounces of tea. So I mix all those, and finally I'm coming up with that. I mix it all with this thing, and when I make tea with that blend, friends, you don't believe that it comes out so good. It is so flavorful, tasty, and delighted. Try it, and if you want any such videos to come again, please do subscribe to my channel, and please do like it, and please do leave your comments, and if you like it and what you want to see more from me, because I'm just going to bring more entertainment videos like that, educative ones, like so my videos are little informative and little realistic. So please do leave your precious comments in the video. Thank you so much. Subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.